Good morning everybody. Oops. Forgot my much needed coffee. Yes, good morning. It is Thursday. It's 9:45 in the morning. I just put Ro down for his first nap. I am chugging my very cold coffee. And I have a bit of a messy kitchen to take care of before our grocery delivery order comes, which is scheduled for I think I'm getting sick. I think I've caught whatever Ro has and I can really feel it in my throat, which is a huge bummer. But yes, I have to clean up before our groceries are delivered, and it's slotted for between 10 and 12, but normally they come like early, so I'm assuming they're going to be here in the next 15 minutes. So I want to get the kitchen in order so that I can have a clean space to unpack my groceries in. But first I'm going to put some essential oils in my diffuser because I need a bit of a pick-me-up. The nights are not getting any easier. Let me turn a light on here. Ro is still very sick, so I think the other thing I'm going to do today, so Ronan is still quite sick, and I think today I'm going to put on some chicken stock. I'll probably do that right now actually while he's napping, and then I will let that simmer all day, I guess, and then we'll have some chicken stock for him to sip on for the next few days, and then I can use it to make some chicken soup for dinner tonight, or maybe for tomorrow night. I think that'll be really nice. So I think I'm going to diffuse some sweet orange and some frankincense today. I just really love that combo. It's so grounding and refreshing, and that is what this mama needs today. I'm using my Oracacia oils. I just find them to be lovely and available at the grocery store, which is convenient, and that's what I'm about. So I'm gonna do 4 drops of each. Yeah, so 9:52. I think I'm gonna put the broth on first just to get that going, and then I will tackle this kitchen. Sorry for the lighting, guys. It is the gloomiest of gloomy days today. I woke up with a huge headache, and I knew before I opened the curtains that it was going to be a rainy, gloomy day. Does anybody else get that? Does anybody else get headaches when the weather is kind of miserable? Anyways, this is the cookbook that I follow for most things, Nourishing Traditions, and I use this guy to make my stocks, and it's so super simple. So this is the recipe. It's super easy. It's just chicken. It calls for a whole chicken. I'm just using some bits that we had in the freezer. I defrosted them overnight, and then some celery, some carrots, some onion, a ton of water, and a little bit of vinegar and some parsley. I don't have fresh parsley, so I'm going to use dried, and it still turns out super tasty. Okay, so I am going to bring this to a boil, and then once it's boiling for about 10 minutes, I'm going to turn it down to a simmer, and I'm going to let it simmer for the rest of the day. But yes, I am so over this baby cold. He's tired, I'm tired, we're all so tired. And yes, if you have any suggestions for dealing with a baby's first cold, let me know in the comments, because my goodness, I am following the doctor's orders plus doing all these things I found online, and yeah, he's still having a really rough time, and it's hard to watch. It's hard to not be able to fix it immediately for him. Okay, Okay, I thought I'd do a quick grocery haul. I did a bit of a restock grocery shop, so I thought it might be interesting to show you what we got. I stocked up on canned tomatoes, diced tomatoes with no added salt, and then lots of tomato paste. We fly through this. We make lots of soups and sauces, I guess, and a lot of them are tomato based, so it's always handy to have this on hand. Aluminum foil, some organic maple syrup cans, some organic applesauce, some whole wheat organic pasta. This is such yummy pasta. I have some yogurt and milk. These are mostly for Ro, but we also drink the same milk as him now. It's you don't realize how good milk is until you drink the higher fat milk. Eggs, cheese, bacon, some frozen blueberries, some deli style turkey, an acorn squash, clementines, lots of onions. We use onions pretty much every day. Some mushrooms, I've got some bananas, some garlic, 3 avocados, lots of bell peppers, because again, we eat probably between the 2 of us 1 bell pepper a day roughly. And then I got some of my favorite, the Dave's Killer Bread. This is organic whole grain and it's like super yummy. And then I'm trying this for the first time. I really like rye bread, so I thought I would treat myself a little bit. And then some bananas and a big old bag of potatoes and some peach sparkling water and lime sparkling water. And then I think this was like a bonus. It's just some sodas. I think for spending over $100, something like that. So yes, that's my little grocery haul. Can I just show you one of the things that brings me an unreasonable and immense amount of joy? I love a fully stocked fridge. I love a fully stocked and fully organized fridge. This warms my soul. Okay, so it is 11:36 and Ro is still sleeping, so I definitely have to go wake him up, as much as that pains me. But if I don't wake him up now, then the rest of his day will be so totally out of whack, and then I don't want it to mess up his nighttime sleep any more than it was last night. So let's go wake up a snoozy boy. So it is 12:45 and I've had lunch and I'm just whipping up Ro's lunch. So these are just some boiled carrots that I've broken up for him. And then I have some whole wheat organic pasta in a black bean and yogurt paste. And then I've just mixed it up. I hear you, honey. And then I'm going to cut these pieces of pasta in half. What's crack-a-lackin'? Oh, I see. I've just noticed this little bunny. I find these all over the house. Excuse my dirty floor. These are part of the Lovevery play kit that we got. I'm not sure why it won't focus, but it's so stinking adorable. And he's been absolutely loving it. I see! I see! So yeah, it's like a little felt burrow, and it comes with 3 little bunnies that they can pop in and out, and it's like the cutest toy I've ever seen. So he's a huge fan of this. It came in the Babbler play kit, which is the one that they kindly sent us. And Ro is currently playing with this guy here. I love this thing, and Ro is all about it, which is really nice. So yeah, I just want to say a massive thank you to Lovevery for gifting us the Babbler play kit. Ro has been loving it, and I'm so excited that it's available in Canada. I have been following Lovevery on Instagram for like a year and a half, so before Ro was even born. Here you go. Do you want this? Oh my goodness. Oh, it's a little heavy. Oh, you say no, I want the camera. So yes, I've been following Lovevery for a long time, and I was kind of like lusting after their play kits. I just was always under the assumption that they were only an American brand and that they only shipped to the States. So yeah, I was just beyond thrilled when they reached out to us, because I realized they ship to Canada, and now we can subscribe to and benefit from their play kits, which are just beautiful and so cool. Like, they're so cool. Welcome to the bathroom. It is time for Rose's second nap, but you can hear him in his crib. I just popped him in his crib in his nursery while I get the bath ready. So I'm going to drop a bath with some Epsom salts and some of this Johnson's Soothing Vapor Bath, which is actually really nice. And this is kind of the routine we've been doing to help with his sleep. It works really well for daytime sleep, like his naps, but I still need something to help him with nighttime sleep. I'm not sure why that's so much harder for him right now. So before I pop him in the bath, I'm going to do some saline nasal drops, and then that combined with the vapor bath hopefully will clear him out a little bit. And then after his bath, I'm going to use the nose free to suck out whatever is left in there. And then this is lovely, this Aleva Naturals Soothing Comfort Chest Rub. It's basically like Vicks Vapor Rub, but an all natural and safe version. It is 2 o'clock on the dot. While this baby sleeps, I have to fold a little bit of laundry, clean up the lunchtime mess. This is what he ate. So most of the pasta, all the carrots, all of the applesauce with flaxseed, and not a ton ended up on the floor this time. We have definitely entered the throwing phase though, which is just tons of fun. But yeah, I think after folding this laundry and cleaning up a little bit in the kitchen, I think I'm just going to put a pause on all of the things I had planned for today. I had intended on having a very productive day, and I don't think I've accomplished anything on my list aside from throwing in the bed linens, but that was such a minor thing on my list. But I don't have the energy after last night. Today has also been just, there's been no break. He's very, I don't like to say the word needy because it's really, that feels very negative. He's just sick and he needs a lot of love today, and it's totally understandable, but it just means that there has not been any me time at all. So yes, I am just going to fold this laundry, make myself a really nice cup of tea, and I think I'm just going to sit and read a little bit of a book while he finishes his nap, and that is that. And then I think tonight I'm just gonna have a bath. I had a lot of stuff I wanted to do, but I think I'm just gonna have a really indulgent bath and then go to bed early because I don't know how much sleep I'm gonna get. So yeah, I think that's the plan. I've had to kind of like reframe how I look at how I spend my time, especially like, well, since becoming a parent, since becoming a mom, because often I don't accomplish most of the things that I want to in a day, and I feel at the end of the day like I haven't been productive, and I feel like it puts me in a very negative headspace, which I don't enjoy. So I'm trying to realize that on days like this, taking care of Ro is productive. Being here as his mom is productive. And then at the end of the day, if I need to take the time to do things that fill my cup, that is also productive, because you can't, you can't pour from an empty cup. So yes, that's how I'm trying to kind of like reframe it. It's how I'm trying to look at it when I get kind of like stressed out that I'm not accomplishing everything that I want to in a day. I just kind of have to pause, refocus, and remind myself that I'm doing the important stuff, and that's okay. There are gonna be lots of days like this, and it's okay. Can you tell I'm still trying to convince myself? I'm a work in progress. Okay, so my chicken stock is coming along nicely. It smells amazing in here. It's 4:26. I am making just the easiest dinner ever. It's super yummy. It will feed all three of us. Ro can have a little bit of this once it's ready. So keeping it super easy today. All it is 2 small onions, 3 regular sized white potatoes, and 4 carrots, all really roughly chopped. There's rosemary in there. It's tossed with a little bit of olive oil, and then it's just 3 organic pork sausages on top. And I'm just gonna pop it in the oven with the lid on it for about 45 minutes. And we should be good to go. Oh, I'm actually going to add about a 1/4 cup of water to this as well. But yeah, that should be super, super yummy. Okay, I am just in our downstairs bathroom. I am just getting ready to work out. I quickly brushed my teeth because I need some motivation, and I find that really just kind of refreshes me if I'm low on energy. Way better than a coffee or a cold shower. I just got Ro down to sleep like 10 minutes ago. It is exactly 7 p.m. So, not bad. And I've changed into some workout clothes. It's really chilly in our basement right now, so I'm bringing a big sweater. And yeah, I'm gonna go have a really solid workout. As tired as I am, I know that I'll feel better if I don't miss a day of working out, because I've been so good for like a week and a half. Up about 40 minutes into that workout, and I've been upstairs with Ro for the last 35 minutes or so. He's back down now, thank goodness. The child slumbers, and if that hadn't taken so long, I'd probably go back downstairs and get in more of a workout. But 40 minutes, not bad. 25 minutes of that was on the treadmill, and then I will pop up on the screen how many reps I did of the weights. And yeah, I think I'm gonna leave it there because I'm tired. I already have my comfy sweater on, and yeah, I think I'm gonna make myself a cup of tea, watch a little bit of television, and then I'm gonna go to bed. Yep. But yeah, thank you guys so much for joining me, for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.